The crackdown on NGOs allegedly fueling anti-nuclear protests is only getting wider and wider and louder. It seems Times Now has learned that there are as many now, 77 NGOs that are under the scanner, suddenly, overnight. But among them are a list of 12 NGOs who are now under CBI scrutiny for violating foreign funding rules. The government is telling us there are many, possibly hundreds of such NGOs which will now have to be targeted. These NGOs, when Times Now contacted them, are crying conspiracy. They say this is a part of a sudden witch hunt on the part of the government. The opposition is demanding the reports against these NGOs be made public before they are targeted in such a manner.
A German national deported, followed by a crackdown on a few NGOs in and around Kudankulam. The government fearing the mysterious foreign hand. Now Times Now investigations reveal government's widening anti-NGO campaign that spreads all across India. Times Now accesses a list of 12 specific NGOs referred to the CBI by the Ministry of Home Affairs, which are under the dock for various violations including illegal funds transfer, forex violations and suspected links with tax havens.
The CBI has begun the scrutiny of the NGOs in full swing because they suspect that the money that has been routed to these NGOs are in violation of Foreign Contribution Regulation Act, and also foreign agencies are pumping in money to fuel anti-nuclear protest.
This FCRA order accessed by Times Now was issued to an NGO in Kanyakumari to stop all foreign funds till the scrutiny is over.
Many NGOs in and around Kudankulam have been slapped with such FCRA notices, after which the bank accounts have been frozen or the activities have stopped. Not only are they crying foul, but they're saying that they're being purposefully targeted by the government.
We have nothing to do with Kudankulam, anti-Kudankulam activities. We feel that it is a victimization by the government.
अचानक इस पैसे को लेना बंद करा दिया गया और तब से हमारे कुछ अनाथालयों को हमने बंद किया है या बच्चों को इधर से उधर शिफ्ट किया है.
Meanwhile, the BJP too has raised questions over the crackdown, even calling for evidence against the NGOs to be made public.
No, if somebody is really doing anti-India activity, we will never support. But the issue is why today Prime Minister is saying what is said about the NGOs without naming them, without taking action.
Unless the details are made public, questions will continue to be raised against the government's sudden widening anti-NGO campaign. With Poonam Agarwal and Ramanathan Muralidharan for Times Now.